Okay, today is November 1st. My dog, which you see in the background, has been diagnosed with heartworms. The vet suggested I try HeartGuard once a month, give him that, and then also do the beer you see there, which is Guinness Stout. It has to say that it has been brewed in Dublin. It's the black label. If you don't see that, then don't get the beer. It has to also say, you'll see also on the back label that it'll say brewed in Ireland. There are some beers by this company that are brewed in America, so you just want to make sure that you're getting the right beer. The reason why is because the hops are supposedly from an ancient hop line vintage, and it's that hop that actually goes in and makes the heartworm where it is unable to reproduce, and in time, you know, the heartworm dies and it can't produce anymore, so you end up heartworm free. I've looked online, I've seen a lot of information that states that they've had great results with this. It's normally been about 10 months. My vet, he also has tried it and experimented with it, and they've had great success. And once again, it's been like 10 months. So I'm going to try it. Again, today is November 1st. I have had him on different herbal formulas, and that's been since August, and this is now November. He is still testing positive for heartworms. However, he has come around. He's looking great. As you can see, he's beautiful. He wasn't looking so great in August, so he's looking good. And so I believe that those herbal remedies have helped. However, he still has heartworms, so I want to give him just a try this route. And we have mosquitoes profusely here in Southeast Texas, so that's another reason why I'm trying this alternative. So we will see what is happening. I will let you know as we go along with this procedure, this protocol. Today I gave him his HeartGuard, and we'll do that once a month, and then from there I will be giving him the Genesis now, our Guinness. Now, what I'm understanding, what my veterinarian says is normally it's a 2-week process. Yes, I know you want to play, huh? It's normally a 2-week process. However, he suggests I do it once a week. Now, I'm going to do this once a week and see how that goes. And then from there, we will just get to know, everything checked out. So anyway, this is Dion to you. And also one last thing is I totally changed his food. He's 7 years old and beautiful. Hello there, buddy. I cook for him. I cook chicken hearts. I bake it. Chicken hearts, chicken livers, chicken gizzards, chicken quarters, turkey, ground turkey. I cook that up for him. I give him a little bit of kibble. I also give him for his probiotic. I found that this right here works really well. The goat milk, natural. I give him that. This, if you're looking for something just to kind of add into the kibble, because he hates kibble, but he seems to like this. This right here, it's by H-E-B actually, and the ingredients are pretty doggone good. If you're going to give a can, this is a great option. I bake his liver as well. This is beef and chicken liver. These are his chicken that I bake, or you can boil them. His gizzards and his hearts. I also will give him some, switch it up. I give him like some sour cream. And then I'll also do like a yogurt, that kind of thing there. I'll give him just switching different things up. I also mix in his food some carrots and some, you can see he leaves the kibble. I also am going to mix up some cabbage and some, not cabbage, I'm sorry, some greens. Mix up some spinach, some carrots. I do not do the peas and the potatoes. I just don't do that. I've read too many derogatory things about it. But anyway, once again, this is what we're doing November the 1st, 2018, and I'll be able to let you know what it is that, what ends up happening here for my boy. You gonna say bye-bye, Hoffnung? Say bye-bye.